current role is manufacturing apprentice. I'm working as a assembly operator. The reason I decided to apply for Caterpillar is because it's a well-known company and got recommended by a family friend, and I want to do work which is more hands-on rather than sitting down somewhere. On a day-to-day basis, my apprenticeship involves to fit consoles, air conditioning unit, and recently I've been working as a trainer to train someone to do my job, the job I used to do. It works for me because it gives me a new career pathway, gives me opportunities to improve myself and be my best.